How to use AI to grow your business faster without adding more overhead. Today, I will show you exactly how companies use automation and AI to turn their operations into growth engine. I will also share real workflows you can copy, no dev team or fancy tech stack required. Jet agency helps clients book private jets. But behind the scenes, it wasn't exactly smooth. Their internal system called the grid was slow and messy, and every time they wanted to change anything, like updating how they handled leads, it required a developer weeks of delays just to test a small idea. So they started using Zapier. At first, they used it for simple marketing automations, but soon they realized they can go way beyond that. They connected Zapier directly to their internal databases using MySQL and PostgreSQL integrations, which let them build new workflows on top of their existing infrastructure without touching the original code. This unlocked huge flexibility. They could now test new ideas in hours instead of months. Sales and ops could move faster without waiting on IT, and they automated data flows between their database and the tools they already used. So no developers needed, no waitings. But they didn't stop there. They built an AI assistant called Jetson Booker, literally a cool pilot chatbot living inside Slack. Jetson could pull real-time flight options, handle quote requests automatically, and even parse messy operator emails using ChatGPT and Zapier format. Before Jetson, processing a single flight quote could take an agent up to 10 minutes. But now, Jetson handles it instantly, saving them hundreds of hours and letting agents focus purely on closing deals. You don't have to run a private jet company to pull this off. Here is a simple framework you can steal. First, connect your CRM to everything. If you're stuck on old systems, check out alternatives like HubSpot or Pipedrive. Both integrate super easily with Zapier. Second, automate lead qualification. Use forms, webhooks, or chatbots to capture leads. Then have AI score them based on answers instantly. 3. Use AI for data enrichment. Instead of sales reps Googling every lead, hook up tools like apollo.ai or Clearbit via Zapier to autofill company size, industry, LinkedIn profiles just in seconds. 4. Draft personalized follow-ups with a ChatGPT. New lead comes in, Zap triggers ChatGPT to generate a customized email based on lead data. Your rep just clicks send. 5. Build a feedback loop. Push all activity, opens, clicks, calls into a central dashboard like Google Sheets or Airtable, so marketing and sales stay totally in sync. Instead of hiring 5 more sales reps, your current team can handle double the pipeline. AI-powered workflows are not some future fantasy. They are working right now for companies of every size, from scrappy startups to private jet firms. If you wanted to scale smarter, not harder, start building your automation stack today. Connect your tools, plug in AI where decisions slow you down. Let your team do the work that actually matters. Hit that subscribe button for more tutorials on AI workflows, sales automation, and scaling without a burnout. See you!